Hello, everyone, and welcome. Damn it. I spoke too early. Now the hello, everyone, welcome got cut off. See, that's the problem no one ever tells you when you're recording a video. You can't do it as soon as the countdown ends. You gotta make sure it gets to 1 second so that way whatever you say doesn't get cut off. Something I've known for a long time, but the fact is I still mess up with it. Anyway, welcome. You're probably wondering why I've brought you all to a blank presentation that has nothing in it, just the title. Well, the fact is, this is going to be, or rather was an idea for a top 10 I was going to make. It's basically going to be this, as you can tell. I was going to put all my favorite artists in a slide to basically give information, what the best album was, what I believe their favorite song to, like, what I believe their best song to be. The reason why this fell through is because I decided to go with a different idea for my presentation. A much better one, honestly. I am glad with what I've gone with. I haven't really gotten much time to work on this, which is why, as you can see, we didn't even make a number 10. Just sitting here, all alone with nothing on it. Nice and empty. When it comes to the artists that would have been on here, put in definitely Bobby Caldwell up first and like Boz Scaggs in second. There'd be a lot of others too, there'd be Hall & Oates, Kenny Loggins, Michael McDonald, the Doobie Brothers. There would be a lot of like key groups that define yacht rock, like Seals and Crofts would also be there, obviously. Summer Breeze, one of my favorite songs of all time. I'm alright that I'm not doing this presentation because I know that I have a much better one in the works that I'm going to enjoy doing a lot more. That's all I've got. I hope you'll enjoy it. Bye.